Hello everyone, I'm Vinu from Informatica GCS. In this video, we will see how to configure Metadex Talent Scanner. The agenda is we will cover about talent source and the prerequisite required from the Metadex end and the generated assets from the catalog UI followed by a quick demo. Talent data integration is an ETL tool used to extract, transform, and load data from different sources to provide business value. We extract multiple components from Talend project as part of Metadex Scanner. We can extract cloud components from Talend projects like S3, Snowflake, or HDFS, or database components from any relational database, or file components from Flatfile, Excel, etc., and the native processing components like tmap, tjoin, tfilter. For complete supportability, please refer to the official Metadex scanner documentation. As part of prerequisite, we will need to export the Talend project files from the Talend workspace and will have to provide it as an input to Metadex scanner. Also, next we'll have to split the source files into logical application and create configuration for each logical application. Once the metadata extraction is successful, we can see the project, folder, job, subjob in catalog UI as the assets. With respect to lineage, we support summary and transformation level lineage, data lineage and control lineage at dataset and data element level, along with the support for embedded SQL and store procedure calls. Now let's look into the demo part. Once you log into Metadex UI, go to the desired project. From the project section, go to Create Configuration and click on Metadex. In the name, please provide the name of the scanner. And in the conversion path, please select as Talent, Data Integration. Next, under Talent Reader module, we have a parameter called Talent Export Directory, where we need to provide the Talent project files. So these files need to be extracted from Talend workspace and locally placed on the Metadex server. The next parameter is the data source connection parameter. So for this, first we need to see if our project contains any references to external sources. If yes, we need to create an MD repo for that. And once the MD repo is created, those connections need to be mapped in the configuration level. Following that, we have a Talend input filters using which we can include or exclude Talend jobs for processing. And if we have any Talend project job values to be overridden with the default values set in the item file, we can use job context override parameter. We can also use job parameter override to override the default parameter values. We can use the default values file path to provide the file with default values which would be used by Metadex for processing. Once the Talend Reader module is completed, we can go to the Enterprise Data Catalog Writer. So here we have EDC Writer mode. We can either generate the file or load it to catalog using REST API. Next, we need to define the output directory where our files would be stored. And then we'll have to provide the Talend resource name, which should be seen in the catalog UI. Once these default values are set, we can go ahead and run the scanner. And the logs could be observed from the output or the logs section. Once the scanner is completed, you can verify it from the UI. Also, you can go to the generated objects and see the executables. You can also see the source and targets. From the catalog UI, we can see we have folders, projects, jobs, and subjobs being extracted from the Talend project. Under the subjob, we can also see the lineage and impact. So this was it from the demo part. You can refer the below links to configure scanner and know about the configuration. We would like to hear more from you. Please use the below channel to provide your feedback. Thank you.